So, good morning, everybody. Today, we are going to talk about one more problem, that is hardest problem bet. So, this is a very general question, therein you are using the if and else condition only. Now, what is this problem all about? So, let me share one pictorial presentation that will be very helpful for you to understand. So, here, if you see this, they you need to win a bet, right? You need to print either draw, bob, or ls, right? So these are the three outputs that you need to print. So what are those? So ls, they are going with the three problems a, b, c, right? So here the parameter is, the harder the problem is, there are least number of submissions, right? Like you do submissions in CodeChef, right? It only submit when it is correct, right? So here, if the problem is harder, only one person will submit. So if that person, the smallest person who submitted, you need to print that specific person. So if the problem is harder, and A is the smallest, least number of summation with A, then you have to print draw. Then if B, then print Bob, and if C, then print ls. Right? So these are the three type of decisions that you need to take. Now let's take a scenario. So here, you will be entering the value of A, B, and C. This is the case that A submitted 1, B submitted 4, and C submitted 2. So which one is the hardest? The one that is the smallest one. So that will be truly the winner. So here A is the smallest one. So you just have to print draw, right? Simple if condition is there. Here 16, B equals to 8, C equals to 10. So what? Here which one is the least? B is the least. So just print Bob. And here in this scenario, if you see A equals to 14, B equals to 15, C equals to 9, it means clearly C is the hardest problem. So it will clearly win and Alice will be the winner, right? So this is the basic question that whom you need to print. And here the test case scenarios are also there. T, you will enter 3 test cases. Here you have entered 3 as a test cases. And in the next line, you have to submit SA, SB, SC. So 1, 4, 3. So A, B, and C. So which one is the smallest? The one is the smallest. So it will print draw. Right? Same with B and same with C. So the only thing that you need to find out is pick the smallest number among ABC and print that number with, if it's A, print draw. If it's B, print Bob. If it's C, print Alice. So this is how it is. Okay. So let me go back. I think this has clearly made you understand this. So let me open my CodeChef problem here. Here you can see. So here, if you see ABC respectively, and SA, SB, SC are the numbers related to the number of submissions that you have made, right? So what I need to input, if you go here, you need to input the value of T. So here I'm inputting the value of T as 3. So if you are inputting 3, simply it will ask for 3 submissions from your side, right? And scanning SA, SB, SC, that is 1, 4, and 2. Right? Once you enter 1, 4, 2, so it will compare. So it should be the smallest among all these. So 1 should be, SA should be smaller than SB, and SA should be smaller than SC. Only then you can print draw. Right? So simple condition. So this condition satisfied, so it will print 1. It will not go to this else condition anyway, anyhow. It will go back again here, and second, it will give you the loop. Here it is. Instead of 3, it will come back here, and now in the second it will come back here. So here what you will do, you will give 16, 8 and 10. Right? 16, 8 and 10. So it will compare. SA is smaller? No, it will not go here. Else it will check for B. B is smaller? Okay, yes. B is smaller than A. True. And B is smaller than C. Yes. So it will print Bob. So here it will print this. Right, for this condition. And moving on, it will not go anywhere. It will go back again with the while loop and ask him for another summation. That is the third one. Right, and here the third one is 14, 15 and 9. So it will check 14 is greater than 15, smaller than 15. Yes, it is. Is 14 smaller than 9? No, it will not go here. It will come here. Here it will check. 15 is smaller than 14? No, it will not go here. It will come here. Else, since A and B both are not small, so it means it should be C. So you print Alice and you come back and yeah, that's it. 0. And it will exit from the loop and you will get the summation. So it's simple if and else condition. You're just checking the number is smaller or greater. You just need to understand this. Okay. Thank you so much. If you like the video, please do subscribe. I will be coming up with the more videos like this.